Sphenopalatine artery anatomy. 10 questions and answers. Is the sphenopalatine artery a branch of the maxillary artery? Yes, the sphenopalatine artery is a branch of the maxillary artery. Is the sphenopalatine artery a branch of the third portion of the maxillary artery? Yes, the sphenopalatine artery is a branch of the third portion of the maxillary artery. Is the sphenopalatine artery a branch of the pterygopalatine portion of the maxillary artery? Yes, the sphenopalatine artery is a branch of the pterygopalatine portion of the maxillary artery. What is another name for the sphenopalatine artery? The sphenopalatine artery is also known as the artery of epistaxis. Does the sphenopalatine artery travel through the sphenopalatine foramen? Yes, the sphenopalatine artery travels through the sphenopalatine foramen. Does the sphenopalatine artery enter the cavity of the nose? Yes, the sphenopalatine artery enters the cavity of the nose. Does the sphenopalatine artery give off posterior lateral nasal branches after entering the nasal cavity? Yes, the sphenopalatine artery gives off posterior lateral nasal branches after entering the nasal cavity. Does the sphenopalatine artery travel under the sphenoid bone? Yes, the sphenopalatine artery travels under the sphenoid bone. Does the sphenoid palatine artery end as the posterior septal branches on the nasal septum? Yes, the sphenopalatine artery ends as the posterior septal branches on the nasal septum. Does the sphenopalatine artery anastomose with the greater palatine artery? Yes, the sphenopalatine artery anastomoses with the greater palatine artery.